Good day everyone, so I am Miss Temple, and for today, I will be taking the specific body measurements in drafting the trouser and blouse with collar and sleeve. Okay, so let's start. So in taking the body measurements, of course, we are going to use the tape measure. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so I have a client here. So first is we need to get her shoulder width. Okay, it is taken from your left shoulder tip point to your right shoulder tip point, passing through your nape point. So that is the shoulder width. Okay, next is the back chest measurement. It is taken from your left arm joint to your right arm joint, passing through your blade point. The third one is the back body's length, which is taken from your side neck point down to your waistline, passing through your blade point. So that is the back body's length. Next is the FBL, or the front body's length, which is taken from your side neck point down to your waistline, passing through your bust tip point. Okay, that is your FBL. Next is your bust height, which is taken from your side neck point down to your bust tip point. Okay, again, this is the bust height. Next is the bust distance, which is taken from your bust tip point to your right bust tip point, or vice versa. Okay, next is the front chest measurement, which is taken from your left arm joint to your right arm joint. Okay, this is the front chest measurement. The next one is the bust measurement, which is taken all around your bust. Okay, so this is the bust measurement, and then insert 2 fingers for the allowance. Okay, so this is the bust measurement, or her bust measurement. Next is the waist measurement, so it is taken all around your waist. Okay, her waist is 27. Okay. Next is the armhole, which is taken all around your arm, passing through shoulder tip point. Okay, this is the armhole, and insert 2 fingers for the allowance. Okay, next is the hip measurement. Okay, from your waist down 8 inches. Okay, so this is your hip 2. Okay, so it is measures all around your butt. So this is her hip measurement. Okay, next is the sleeve length, which is taken from your shoulder tip point down to the desired length. So this is the sleeve length. Okay, she wants 7 inches. And then the next one is the arm girth, which is taken all around your arm. Okay, this is her arm girth. Okay, for the blouse length, which is taken from your side neck point down to your desired blouse length. Okay, this is her desired blouse length. Okay, the next one is her thigh. So let's measure. This is her thigh measurement. The next one is her knee measurement, which is taken all around your knee. Okay, this is the knee measurement, and then for the bottom part. And the next is the pants length. Okay, from her waist down to the ankle. Okay, that is the full length. Okay, so the crotch is taken from her waist up to the surface of the chair. Okay, this is how you take or get the crotch measurement. Okay, so those are the needed body measurements in drafting the trouser with slide pocket and blouse with collar and sleeve. Okay, so let's proceed to drafting the patterns. Okay.
So these are the tools needed in drafting a pattern: L square, hip curve, French curve, marker, tracing wheel, carbon paper, tailor's chalk, and tape measure. So in drafting a trouser pattern, we need to have border lines. So all you need to do is connect the dots, and at the corner, mark A as your starting point. Okay, so we have here from A to 1 is your crotch measurement, and then your A to 2 is your pants length. Okay, so we will now project point 2 and point 1 to the left. To get B, get the center of point 1 and point 2. Next is point 3 is 1 inch upward from point B. Now, point C is the center of point 1 and point 3. To get point D, measures 2.5 inches downward from 1. And then project these points to the left. Okay, so 1 to 4 is 1/6 seat scale, so you need to use an L square. And then project 4 to the left. Now to get E, measures 1 inch upward from 2. And to get 5, measures 1 inch downward from 2. Then project all the points to the left. 1 to 6 is 1/2 seat scale or 1/4 of the hip measurement. To get 7, that is 1/8 seat scale. And then point 8 is 1/2 inch from 7. To get F, from 6 measures 3/4 inches to the left. And point 9 is the center of F and 6. 10 is also center of 7 and 1. Square down 10 to line 5. And mark the intersections 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. And then K is 1/2 inch from 1. And 18 is 1/2 inch from 10 to the right. Next is square up 18 and mark 19. 19 to 20 is 1/4 waist scale and add 1/2 inch. Next is 19 to 21 is 1/4 waist scale. To get J, measures 1/4 inch upward from 21. And then connect 20 to J for the front waistline. Now connect 20 to 9 and mark 22 to the intersection. 23 is 1/4 inch to the left, not to the right. Now connect 20 to 23 and then curve to 0.7. Now 13 to 24 and to 31 is 1/4 of the knee measurement. 16 to 32 and to 25 is 1/4 of the bottom measurement. Now connect J to K, passing through 21 and K to 24. Now square down 24 to 0.25. Next is connect 7 to 31 and then square down 31 to 32. Now mark the intersections. That's for the front pattern, and let's move on to the back pattern. Okay, from 20, 38 is 1.5 inches to the right. And connect 38 to 6. So 40 is 1.5 seat scale upward from 38. 40 to 41 is 1/2 waist scale plus 1 inch. And connect 40 to 41 passing through J. 42 is 1 inch from K. 44 is 1/2 inch from 24. And 45 is 1/2 inch from 25. Now connect 41 to 42 and 44 down to 46. Now 51 is 3/4 inch from 7 And 52 is 1/2 inch downward from 51. Now to get O, measures 2 and 1/2 inches from 39 and connect O to 52 for the back crotch. 53 and 54 is 1/2 from 31 and 32. Now connect 52 to 53 and 53 to line 37. For the back dart, first is to get the center of 42 and 41 and then 4 inches down, measures 1/2 inch to both sides. And then connect the dart. Okay, so we have here the seam allowances. For the side seam, that is 3/4 inch. For the crotch line is 3/8 inch and for the waistline is 1/2 inch. Okay, so this is for the pocket. From point 19, add 1 inch. Square down I to line 10. And for the pocket opening, measures 5 and 1/2 inches from J and 1 and 1/2 inches to the left. And connect the pocket opening. Shape the pocket using French curve. So I'm using blue ball pen for the pocket. This is for the allowance for the pocket. Now let's move on to our waistband. Okay, waistband formula is waistline measurement plus 3 inches. And let's have 4 inches for the collar width, that is the standard. So this is our waistband. Now let's trace the front pattern using the carbon paper and tracing wheel. Okay, so now for blouse pattern drafting. Again, let's have border lines. And don't forget the facing. Again, A is the starting point. A to B is the shoulder slope. B to C is 1/3 bust scale plus 1 and 1/2 inches. Okay, to get D, locate the center of B and C. E is the back figure or your back body's length. And then project the 5 major lines. A to F is the neckline width. A to G is 1/2 inch for the back neckline depth. And then simply connect F to G. Okay, A to H is your shoulder width divided by 2. And then connect F to H. Square down H to line D. Next is D to I is the back chest divided by 2. C to J is 1/2 bust scale. And then connect HIJ for the back armhole. K is 1/2 waist scale from E plus 1 inch. So connect J to K for the back pattern. C to L is the same with E to M, which is the bust distance divided by 2. Now connect L to M. N is 1 inch downward from L. K from M measures 1/2 inch. That's O and P and connect to N. EF is the front figure. And A to G is the front neckline. IF is 1/2 inch from IB. And JF is 3/4 inch from JB. Next is connect F to J for the front neckline. Next is connect H to IF to line JF. A to R is your bust height. Extend the lines to EF and then connect to N. Now let's have the construction pattern. EB is 8 inches down from E, that is for black blouse length. EF1 for front blouse length. K1 is 1/2 hip scale from EB and add 1 inch. Connect K and JF to K1 and project the dart. Next is measure 1 1/2 upward for the back dart and connect the back dart. Now connect the front dart. For the front hemline, connect K1 to the center of the dart. Now let's proceed to the facing. Okay, from EF measures 2 inches to the right, and from F measures 1 1/2. Now connect the facing using hip curve. For the button allowance, measures 1 1/2 inch and 1 inch from EF. Make straight lines. And trace the facing using carbon paper and tracing wheel. Okay, so let's now trace the front blouse pattern. Okay, for the sleeve pattern drafting, let's draw border lines and mark A as starting point. A to C is 4 inches downward and A to B is the sleeve length. Okay, so let's now project the lines to the right. Okay, let's take a look of what is really the formula of getting the armhole. Using your pattern, add the front and back armhole and divide it by 2. Okay, A to E is the result of your front and back armhole. And then connect A to E. Divide it into 4 equal parts. Make a straight line from EF and from GF, and then connect. Connect the dots using French curve. B to D is same with a C to E measurement, minus 3/4 inch, and then connect. From B measures 1 inch downward for the sleeve allowance and then project. Small circle signifies center folds. For collar pattern drafting, let's also draw border lines. Let's also mark the corner A as the starting point. A to B is 3 inches downward. And let's project B to the right. And get the front and back neckline measurements from your pattern. So this is how you get the measurements. So this is the formula of the neckline. Square down C and mark D. C to F is 1/2 inch to the right, and E is 1/2 inch upward. Now let's connect E to F. Also connect B to E using hip curve. Again, small circles signifies center folds. So these are the collar seam allowances. Okay, so these are the cut patterns.